Yeah, not bad at all.
Here's the first prototype. What I'm gonna do is gonna just weld this shut, and I think I'm gonna just tack it and drill some holes in it, and maybe put some thread right away before I fully weld this thing, because once it get welded, the material, it gets really hard. And just filled all this cavity and put some holes there, put some threading, and then again, this is just a prototype and we'll see what happens. Let's go start welding. I said I was going to to tack this first, but oh, the hell with it. I don't know, maybe I should give it another tack, and then, man, these sure get hot. Get another one. Here's the bracket that I made. I just welded a piece of metal on both sides, and I'm getting ready to tap this for the one of these bolts for so I can attach this on a knuckle. And I'm gonna use my paperweight as a guide. I just inserted my my tap. I think it's a M12 1.75. Yeah, I think this is what the pitch on this bolt. And I'm just gonna that way I know the bolt will go in straight. I just needed to get it started. Then I'm gonna remove the my guide. Let me see if I can. There we go. And let's put some loops on there. Just make it easier. This thing should have been done on a steel, in my opinion. By doing what I did, I can do some multiple service on the brakes without worrying. This is the second bracket, and the only thing different I did on this one is I welded a nut which is the same size of what I think this is, believe M14 by 1.5. I welded a nut, that way I'll know I'll go in straight, perpendicular straight to the flange. And the other one I used some kind of a dowel pin as a guide, but that one is not really entirely straight, but it's okay. But I think this idea will make it fully straight. All I needed really is just to start. That one I already started it and it broke off, so I just need to grind the weld, make it clean. I didn't show much of when I was making this bracket. It's because of it's the same thing as the other one, but this one is completely different. Remember, I was telling you guys that I thought about welding a piece onto here, more like an I-beam, and that's exactly what this is. I think that should be enough. I got it started already. Yeah. So now I'm gonna use the bottom tap I got. juice. As it gets deeper, it's getting harder. Those filler weld, it's hard to cut. Hopefully I won't break my my tap doing it. So I just have to do it slow. Once I get done with this, once I get it cleaned up, and I'm gonna show you guys. Also, I need to get this thing all fit it in the onto the car. This one I got it all. Let me get the WD-40. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the next day, and I'm finally done with my bracket. Here it is. This one here is the one that I thought about making. Remember, this is a L bracket. What I did is I stripped a 1/4 inch steel, and I just welded it in out to here, both sides. Not a good weld, but it will hold. Anyway, I put about 1/16 of an inch from here to the edge, right here. So there's material holding it for the thread, and this is steel. Okay, not aluminum anymore. Okay, so this is more like an I-beam, and as you can see, got some thread on there. Thread some. This one is a little bit deeper. I made it deeper. And this is the other one. This one I have to put this little steel plates here, so it would have this thread for the caliper. It would have something to hold on to. So this one will be mounting on a knuckle on this side, but this one here is on this flat side. So it's just two totally different bracket. And like I said, this one my paperweights, I just filled the holes with aluminum. Hopefully I made some what do you call that, fusion inside. If not, oh well, I got this one already anyway. Okay, this one is for demonstration only. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this in my car or not. Okay, and it's not for sale either. I only made this just so just to prove to myself that I can do it again for the second time, which is, oh well, I did. And this is a roll form, and I'm getting ready to put it on the car. I got the car set up here, and let's put it on. And this one, you can torque this thing any torque you want. If you want to go as high as 80 foot-pounds, you can do it. I have already tried 60 so far, so everything is good. And let's see. I'm just gonna demonstrate. Well, I'm gonna show you both sides that, as far as like centering the caliper onto the disc. So if you can hold tight. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 60. Okay, and that's what it looks. Okay, and now we're getting ready to on the caliper. The caliper, I have to use thick washer. This is from Fast Brakes, and I'm using OEM bolts. This is metric, and as everyone knows, I'm using a 13-inch rotor, so I have to use a spacer. I made the bracket in a way where I could use I'm starting to 12.8 up to 13. So if I make it only for 13-inch, it's just it's not good. You know, I don't have much option, so it's better to make it in a way where I start from minimum, like 12.8. Plus you can always put washer or something like this. For anyone that wants to use a spacer, a bigger rotors on their cars, make sure you change the bolts, okay? I'm not liable if there's anything breaks on your parts. I'm just doing this for demonstrations only, just to prove to you guys that I can do it again. I mean, you can use the impact any day in, day out, and you don't have to worry about breaking the damn thing because it's made out of steel, not like aluminum. Okay, let's see. A little bit tight there, but hold on, let me see if I get Alright, can you guys see the clearance? Let me see if I can get that light, like so. The camera cannot really pick it up. Right there, from side to side. There. See, right? Right here. And this side, right there. This rotors, it's been resurfaced already, but just to give you an idea, this is the center right here. Right, the center of the halves together. So as you can see, right there. And as long as I'm able to put the brake pads in when I have to do some service, that's all that matters. Come on. What? There you go. Well, I have to push the let me see if I can push the let me see if I can push the piston in. There. And I'm just gonna show you where the brake pads landed. That is flush to the rotors. There. See right there. See my screwdriver? Both sides. Not bad, huh? So it looks like it's a success. So that's one, and let me show you the other one. Okay? And now it's this one, the second one. So this will mount differently. It's not the flat face, but this side. This is the first prototype that I made, that I said is subject to change. And this is the second one, and I think I made some improvement by doing the second one. And it looks much better too, in my opinion. but you can't see it anyway. I mean, it's inside. Once. Okay, and let me give it a torque. Put the motor. Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna put the caliper. Don't forget the spacer that I made. I better remove this. Let me take this off. See, this way I don't have to worry about having this thing stripped. Use the back any day you want. And charge this to 60. 60. Okay. Now let's see the clearance again. You guys see the gap right there, and on this side, this one is a little bit the one on the outside is a little bit wider, but the main thing is, as long as I can put the brake pads when I'm doing a servicing, this see let's see if I can get this thing all the way flush. You see the gap on the rotor? Let's see. Yeah. Now on, let's see if I can get this side. And where's the other pin? All right. As you guys can see, the brake pads, it's flush on the rotors, both sides. And that's it. Whew. All right, so there you go. I finally made my own RL conversion bracket again, one more time, made out of steel, and I don't have to worry about getting stripped. And that's it. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If anyone wants to use this to build on their own, again, I'm not liable to if anything happen to you and your car or yourself. Hopefully nothing will happen, but this is just for demonstration only, just to show you, prove to myself that I can do it. I can make one for the second time. Yes. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back. All right, bye bye everyone. I'll see you on the next episode. Dang. Cool.